Welcome to the fstechchannel. Today lesson is how to measure cable trays using Navisworks. Let's start. Open the cable tray model from the Navisworks software and click one cable tray segment. Then click the Properties tab. You can see the properties parameters. Here we can see height, length, width are there. Close down the properties window and click the Select Same tab and select the same name. Then it will select all the cable trays in the model. Now click the Quantification tab. You can see Quantification workbook we can see. Then click the Project Setup. You can see this Quantification Setup wizard we can see. From here, select a catalog. There are three catalog we can see. Use CSI 16 catalog and click next. Then you can see measurement units, imperial, metric and variable. Select the metric. From here, length meters, width change to millimeters, model height change to millimeters and click finish. Then you can see some in the quantification workbook, you can see some folders are there. For this cable tray, we select the electrical folder to get the quantification. Then click the model takeoff. From the model takeoff, click the takeoff to selected. Then you can see takeoff we can see in the left hand side. Right hand side we can see takeoff, here summary and here detailed breakdown for this folder. Select one folder. You can see model length is there, but width and height we cannot see, because in this case width and height not extract from the model. We will see how to get these measurements width and height. Then right click the here this view and we can get the choose object column drop down menu. From here click the description 1 and description 2 to get the width and height and remove unnecessary columns. Remove viewpoint, remove comments, remove model thickness, remove model perimeter, model area, model volume, model weight, because these parameters not require thickness, perimeter, area, weight. Then click OK. Then unnecessary column will remove and add description 1 and description 2 to get our width and height. Then click item catalog. Here this one. Then you can see there is a property mapping. We are using this property mapping tab to get width and height to the description 1 and description 2. Click the property mapping. Then you can get this box. From here, click plus. You will add the row Then under takeoff property, click the description one. Under category, get the element. Then under property, get width. Again add the row and insert description 2 and under category element and under property select height, click OK. Then again go to the quantification workbook, click earlier selected row, then right click this item, then click select all takeoff to select the all the takeoff in the right hand side. Then already selected this takeoff. Then click the change analysis. Then click analyze changes. Then you can see some icons are here. That means analysis has been done. Now description 1 and description 2 width and heights are already filled, but we can see only after updating. Click update tab on the right hand side top corner. Click update tab and update selected from. Then you go to the next row. Now already this analysis has been done when we doing earlier item. Now we have to update these figures for this one. First we have to right click this item and select all takeoff. Then click the update button and update selected from. Click the update selected from button. Then go to the next column similarly, next row, and you can see already analysis has been done. Click the update button and click update selected from. Like this way, each row we have to do same process repeatedly. You can see the description and description 2 will be filled. This is the width, this is the height. Therefore, keep in mind if we doing takeoff any parameters not get first time, we have to go to the item catalog and go to the mapping. Then we are now next we are going to export this data to the Excel sheet. Now click this item and click the export quantity to Excel. Now you will get here. From here we want to select the file name. You can change any, you can give any file name, and we have to click where document, we have to select the where to save. I select desktop. Now you can see data transfer to the Excel sheet. Now it is opening. This is all data. Click item row, we can get. Now you can see item description. Description 1 length already there. Description 1 means width. Description 2 is height. All the we required details will we have exported to the Excel. Please subscribe my channel. Give your comments under comment section.